guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the end of the year and you guys know every year I do a best skincare, best makeup of the year, and I give you guys a summary and a roundup of some of my favorite products that I took really long to painstakingly narrow down to just one, sometimes two, because I just really can't make up my mind. Do follow me on Instagram and make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more updates. So today I have a list of best skincare products that I use the most, that are my favorites throughout the entire year. So let's get started. So I've got two makeup removers here. One is a micellar water and another one is an oil-based cleanser. So the first one that is my favorite and I ran out of is the Garnier Micellar Oil-Infused Cleansing Water. I really love this. As you can see, it's completely gone. I love the size of it. It took me like 7 months to finish, considering I use a lot of makeup and I clean my face quite often. I just love how it even removed like the toughest waterproof makeup. And for this is the Bethesda Sensitive Cleansing Lotion. I love how gentle it is, but at the same time it's also very effective. If you have sensitive skin, this will not sting your face and it doesn't leave with any weird sticky residue. These two are my favorites and they're both available at the drugstore. This year my favorite cleanser is the Aztec Miracle Wash. This one is from the facial place that I always go to called Aztec Clinic. It's just a really good foamy wash that allows me to clean my face without stripping off too much moisture. It doesn't sting my skin. It's suitable for sensitive skin or even after you have done like some lasers and your skin is raw. This is really good for you. I can't go without mentioning my Luna 3 Sensitive from Foreo. Last year I talked about the Luna 2. This year I'm talking about the Luna 3. Basically it's slightly bigger. It has a bigger cleansing surface area. It also is compatible with your Foreo app on your phone, so you can just go through different modes and different cleansing modes, different massaging modes in a lot more ways compared to the Luna 2. So I love this. I can't recommend it enough. It is expensive, but it is so worth it because it really cleanses my skin very thoroughly and well without it being too harsh on my skin. Toner is my Fancl Moist Refine Lotion too. This is not exactly a toner, but in Japanese skincare they don't really use a toner, they use a lotion, which is something to soften your skin before you go in with hydrator. I use this all the time. It has no preservatives, it's really good for sensitive skin, and if you want to look for a good hydrating one, this is one to go for. I've decided to split up my essences to two different types, a hydrating one and an anti-aging one. So for the hydrating essence, I have decided to put in two because one can be found in the drugstore and another one is slightly more expensive, high-end. So this is the Decote Liposome Moisture Liposome Hydrating Boosting Serum. This one you use it right after you cleanse your face, kind of as a toner because it helps to boost whatever skincare products that you apply on top of it. I just love the texture of it. It's so watery, it's so highly absorbing into the skin, and it doesn't leave you with any weird residue for you to layer on. And another one is the AHC Minimal 10 Watery Essence. This one feels just like water, so it's very lightweight, and I love that it has very little ingredients inside. Everything in the Minimal 10 range has less than 10 ingredients, which is very little. So it's good for people with sensitive skin, or if you have allergies to a lot of the ingredients in skincare, you can go for this. Anti-aging essence, you guys know it is my SK2 facial treatment essence. I think I talked about it like consecutively 3 or 4 years, and I don't think I will ever stop using this in my life because it's just so good. It smells weird, but I tell you, the effects really go a long way. You know, like the old ladies that you see in the commercials of SK2, they're not kidding when they say that they have been using this for years, because this is the power of the facial treatment essence. It makes you a cult fan. Like, I just love it, and I feel like my skin is much firmer. It is not a toner, it is an essence, so you use it after a toner. A bottle like this can actually last for like 6 months or more. Serums. So same thing, I have broken it down to hydrating serum and anti-aging serum. For hydrating serum this year, I still really like my Porcelain HA+, but I decided to include my Skin Ink, My Daily Dose customizable serum. This one, I like to customize it with ceramide and hyaluronic acid, so it's very hydrating on the skin. Plus, it's extremely good for people with sensitive skin, so I really want to recommend this to you guys. And of course, if you don't have dryness as your main concern, you can also customize it with other ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and all these goodness, and you can kind of customize them together in one. For anti-aging this year, I have discovered this Believe Youth Creator Age Knockdown Balm. I realize I haven't talked about this quite a lot in my videos, but I have been loving this to bits, especially over the past 4 months, I would say. It looks and feels like sticky. I don't know if you guys can see it. I just love how it adheres onto the skin, and it's quite fast absorbing as well. It also helps to create a really nice dewy plumped up look on your skin, and I find that it also helps with my fine lines and wrinkles quite a bit. Moisturiser. So I've got 2 favorites this year. One for the sensitive skin people, this is my Fancl Moist Refined Emulsion 2. As I mentioned, Fancl is really good for people with sensitive skin. You know, it has no preservatives, it doesn't contain things like your acids or like your vitamins and stuff like that. So it's just a very simple skincare routine, so that's why I included this. I love this whenever my eczema breaks out. Another one that I love to recommend to you guys is the SK2 RNA Power Radical New Age Facial Moisturizer. Completely gone! It's an empty! Matt and I love this moisturizer so much. I feel like every single time I put it on, I wake up to much smoother, clearer skin. Like my fine lines are a lot less pronounced. I just love the entire feel of it. It absorbs fast, it's not rich, it's not thick, so I can use it day or night. These 2 are my top favorite moisturizers of 2019. Eye cream. So last year I actually mentioned this in the best of 2018 skincare video, and I mentioned that I haven't used it for long enough to be able to tell if I would love it. Well, good news is I love it to bits. So this is the Drunk Elephant Sea Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I think I went through this like 3 or 4 bottles this year. As with all of Drunk Elephant's products, they're all very potent and very effective, so they might not be the most suitable for sensitive skin, but if you are looking for something that gives you like instant results, like super good effective results, they're expensive, but let me tell you, the results are real. When I use this, I wake up to like really brighter under eyes. My fine lines also are a lot lesser, and I just feel like my entire eye area is a lot more lifted. As for my night cream, I really love the Fresh Lotus Dream Cream, but it's in a dark blue bottle. I don't have it with me anymore because I finished it. And I have yet to repurchase it, but I have also yet to find a night cream that is as good as that, so I am going to pick it up very soon after this. I love that moisturizer because it smells amazing. It smells like peaches, and you go to bed and you wake up with, I don't know how to say it, it's like translucent skin, like there is a layer of glow on your face. I just love that moisturizer a lot. Sleeping mask. I was thinking between my Laneige Cica sleeping mask or this, but I decided to just narrow it down to one, and it is this, the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask. So this one is a 2-in-1 product. You have 2 steps. First part is the gel, and the second part is the cream. So it looks like this, and it smells amazing. Like I love all of Fresh's rose products. It just smells so good. It allows my skin to really drink up all of the goodness in the middle of the night, and when I wake up, it is so plump and elastic and vibrant. It looks like I had like 10 humidifiers blasting at me throughout the night when I was sleeping. So this is what it gives. Well, now we're down to the masks. So I have Hydrating Mask, of course. I decided to put this as the winner this year. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Hyaluronic Micro Bubbling Cloud Mask because it's so underrated. I just love this to bits. When you put it on, it will start bubbling up, and the bubbles are super intense. You look like a snowman. I'm not even kidding you. It has hyaluronic acid inside. So hyaluronic acid actually helps to draw water and retain water up to 10 times its weight, and it makes your skin look really hydrated and plump. So I love to use this right before a special event because I want my skin to look really dewy and nice, and makeup sits so much better on top of this after I use it. Brightening mask, you guys know it. Did you guys guess it? It's the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vibrancy Boosting Face Mask. I also included this last year, but this is my 3rd bottle. I just love it to bits. Like, I have sensitive skin and I can't actually exfoliate that much, but this one is really good and gentle. It's kind of like the inside out kind of glow, and I like to use it together with this actually. So step 1, then step 2. These two together gives me a ultimate good skin day. Like, no matter how tired I am, no matter how much makeup I slept on the night before, it is really life-saving and life-changing. Sheet mask this year is Tan-tan! You guys probably already guessed it. It's my Etude House Ceramide sheet mask. This is cheap and good, okay? Like, I always go and stock up when I go to Korea because it's always 10 plus 10. And when you are a foreigner, you get tax-free, so there's extra savings on top of that. The Ceramide one is really good quality. It's very hydrating, and the kind of hydration it provides is really true deep into your skin. So much so that, you know, even when you remove the mask, your skin still feels hydrated and nice. Highly recommend it. A really good mask that you can find at the drugstore. Best exfoliator this year is my Skin Inc Pure Revival Peel. It's a really big headache to have to exfoliate because I've got a lot of dead skin. At the same time, my skin is so sensitive and raw that I can't. So I always have to look out for exfoliators that are gentle enough for my skin condition. Just first apply it on, and then slowly your dead skin will come off by itself. So Pure Revival Peel is a lot more gentle than the ones that I've used from outside. Out of all of them, the Skin Inc Pure Revival Peel is still the best for me. Sunscreen. I've got two for you guys. One of it is slightly more high-end, and another one is found in the drugstore. I actually mentioned this as well. I love. So this one has tone-up effect, and it is quite full coverage. So much so that you can use it kind of like a tinted moisturizer, and you can go out just with it alone. This year I discovered Suntik. This is a Korean sunscreen boutique brand. They have a lot of different sunscreens for your face, for spots, for your hair, for your scalp, for your whatever, you know, for babies. I love this because it's so affordable, but the quality is amazing. Also has a tone-up effect because it's a mineral sunscreen, and usually with mineral sunscreens, they're very hard to blend. But this one is just so nice and easy, and it just seeps into the skin. Very high SPF coverage. So you can get this at Guardian. Facial mist is my Avane Thermal Spring Water. I don't have it with me here because I left it in my luggage, but you guys know the drill. I use it day and night on the plane, off the plane, when my eczema is flared up, when I'm under the hot sun. It is like a life-saving facial mist that can calm down any sort of sensitivity or redness or heat even. It's so good and so pure that you can even apparently drink it. Now let's move on to hair care. This year I've decided to include hair care as well because I realized I don't talk about my hair a lot or enough in my videos. I have decided to put this in. This is my Percy & Reed Volumizing Shampoo. I love this to bits. Like, it really gives me the kind of volume that no other shampoo does. Percy & Reed is found in Sephora, so it's naturally a little bit more higher price, but the quality of the products are really good. If you have flat, limp hair that you want more volume, go for the shampoo for, you know, of this range. Conditioner is Lux Luminate Botanical Cleanse Conditioner, the one in the pink bottle. I really love that one. I didn't bring it to the studio today because it's in my shower. It's very lightweight, it doesn't weigh your hair down, but at the same time, it also doesn't give it so much silkiness. It just gently conditions your hair and make it a lot more manageable, but at the same time, you still retain the bounce and the volume of your hair after that. Hair mask, I've got two! So the first one is the Gelame Amino Deep Repair Algae Mask from Cosy Cosmopod. You guys probably saw a video that I did this before. I tested it out. Always blown away every single time I use this. You can find this at Don Don Donki, I think, or like your Japanese supermarkets, and they're not expensive. So it's considered drugstore, I feel. Deeply nourishing for your hair. If you have very damaged hair, or if you want really silky, straight, slick hair, this is the one to go for. On normal days, I usually go for this. This is my L'Oreal Pro Fiber Reconstruct Hair Mask. You guys know, I think I've been using this consecutively for like 5 years now, and I've gone through bottles and bottles and bottles of this because it really helps to strengthen and repair my hair. I do a lot of heat tools and hair coloring and hair whatever on my hair, so it's not the best condition. this one really helps to save it from breaking. Hair serum, this one is the SUNSCREEN. It's the perfect serum that is very famous in Korea. I honestly, touch my heart, I'm being honest, I bought it because Jenny was on the cover, but when I tried it, it was so good. Like, it smells amazing, and just a little bit you can really smooth out all of your flyaways, and it makes your hair very silky, shiny and bouncy, but not weighed down. So this is amazing. Oh, we're finally down to the beauty tools. So, I've got a lot of beauty tools that I use on a daily. I'm super into like beauty tech. For my favorite hair tool this year, I would have to say is my Dyson Airwrap. I have the Supersonic as well. I just love how convenient it is. It's so fast. It just makes, I can style my hair while my hair is damp. So I can skip the whole like drying and styling process and I merge it into one. I just love how, you know, it makes my hair look so shiny, it's so healthy, it's so volumized. I just love it. The only downside is that I can't really travel with it, so I just wish they came out with a more travel-friendly version. My favorite heat tool is my Create Iron 32mm hair color, and I use it every single day. That one has a titanium barrel, so it's a lot more like damaging to your hair, but at the same time your curls last a lot longer. It heats up faster as well. Unfortunately, I haven't found it anywhere else other than Japan, and I always go to the Don Don Donki in Dotonbori in Osaka to buy it. This is my Tri-Light Optimizer Voyage device. This one is Tri-Light Plus Plus, which means there are 5 different lights. So you have red, blue, yellow, orange, and purple. So of course the 2 additional lights are orange and purple, which is yellow and red together, and red and blue together. LED lights are really good for stimulating the skin, and different lights have different functions. My favorite light is the purple one because red light is anti-aging, it helps to promote collagen, and blue light helps to soothe. I feel like it's the best of both worlds, and I feel that every single time I use this, it makes my pimples like kind of go down flatter the next day. It makes my redness a lot lesser, and it also has this plate over here that allows products to be better absorbed into the skin. The next one that I can't live without is my Rifa Carrot face device. This is so amazing. I know it looks like something we all know, but you know, it's really good. I've tried some dupes before. It's not the same because of, you know, the way it kind of grips onto your face, the way it massages your face. You know, you can very effectively massage your face, and it really de-bloats, de-puffs, and lifts your face because it has this like solar panel thing over here that powers up the micro vibrations that you don't actually feel, but apparently it's lifting up your skin every single time. And all you need to do is 10 minutes each day before you head out of the house or on days where your face is very puffy, and it will seriously help to lift your face, give you a more V-line jaw. Yeah, I just love it. Yes, we have come to the end of the video. It's so long, I'm so sorry, but thank you so much for sticking through. If you guys like any of the products over here, you can share with me as well why you like them, or if you didn't, why did they work for you. Of course, share with us what were your favorites this year. We would love to know. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!